So in the vulnerability report, there is a link that you can click to interact with the REM. The REM in this example uses 4 metrics from NPM as metrics of health. So these 4 metrics are used by NPM to rank the package. So let's go to NPM's website. If I type visualization, we can see that by default, except for the matching package, the result is sorted according to the popularity. So in my thesis, I mined every package's data from NPM, and for each package, I also mined the metrics from them as well. Each metric contains the full version of the REM, and also a filtered version that has the filtering algorithms I described previously. First, let's see the REM with the quality metric. So the parent node of the graph is the software application, which is colored in purple, and also these dependencies that has a blue ring around them are direct dependencies, and the rest of the dependencies are transitive dependencies. Each dependency node has a color based on a selected metric of health, which is a numeric value ranged from 0 to 1 and is based on the color legend on the right. You will also notice that some of the dependencies have red rings around them, and these are vulnerable dependencies from the list in the vulnerability report. These vulnerable dependencies will cause ripple effect to the project. So in the REM, the ripple effect is shown by the color of the edges. So we can see there are many paths from these vulnerable dependencies all the way up to the software project. So initially, it displays a complete dependency graph that shows both dependency relationships in different environments. So by clicking one of these two toggles at the bottom page, you can choose to only show the one that you would like to view. For example, if we toggle off the runtime dependency, which are required when the app is running, then it only shows the development dependencies, so which are the dependencies used by developers to develop the application. As you may notice in the REM graph, if you would like to know more about a dependency, you can put the mouse on that dependency. So this will show you a box that contains the information on dependencies such as name, the metrics they scored, and what version it is currently used in the project. Also, if you want to view a part of the dependency graph more closely, you can always zoom in and zoom out by dragging an area. And also this REM is using quality metrics. We can see that most of the dependencies are relatively green, and there are a couple ones that are hiding in the graph that have unhealthy color. So let's see them better. We can go to the filtered version of this graph. And now we can see the graph is filtered and many health dependencies will collapse and some are grayed out. Then we can now see the one that with less health color more closely. For example, there are a couple oranges and black ones. Yeah, so that's it for the demo. Thank you for watching.